Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Professor Ipshita Bansal from BPS Women's University, Sonipat, Haryana. Today we are going to talk on the module External Business Environment and Strategic Human Resource Management from the paper Strategic Human Resource Management. After completing this module, the students will be able to understand first the concept of external business environment and HRM, second the impact of SHRM on external business environment. In simple words, environment comprises all those forces which have their bearing on the functioning of various activities including strategic human resource management. Environmental scanning helps HR manager become proactive to the environment which is characterized by change and intense competition. Human resource management is performed in two types of environment, internal and external. Strategic human resource management is based on systematic strategic planning, which in turn is done after scanning internal as well as external environment. External environment can include climate, economy, technology, political environment, legal environment, competition, media, fashion, etc. Internal environment may include organizational culture, human resource, organization structure, physical assets, profits and cash flow, and management culture. Let's now understand some important elements of internal and external environment. One of the important elements of internal environment is union. Trade unions are formed to safeguard the interest of its members and workers. HR activities like recruitment, selection, training, compensation, industrial relations and separations are carried out in consultation with trade union leaders. Another important element is organizational culture and conflict. As individuals have personality, organizations have cultures. Each organization has its own culture that distinguishes one organization from another. Culture may be understood as sharing of some core values or beliefs by the members of the organization. Value for time are the culture of Reliance Industries Limited, for example. The culture of Tata conglomerate is get the best people and set them free. HR practices need to be implemented that best fit the organization's culture. There is often conflict between organizational culture and employee attitude. Conflict usually surfaces because of dualities such as personal goals versus organizational goals, discipline versus autonomy, rights versus duties, etc. Such conflicts have their bearings or HR activities in an organization. Another important element of internal environment is professional bodies. Like other professional bodies, the NIPM, that is National Institute of Personnel Management, as the HR professional body, regulates the functions of HR practitioners in India. HR practitioners are expected to declare their allegiance to the code of ethics of NIPM. Thus, professional bodies also influence HR functions of an organization. Now let us understand some important elements of external environment. First is economic environment. Economic forces include growth rate and strategy, industrial production, national and per capita incomes, money and capital markets, competitions, industrial labor and globalization. All these forces have significant influence on wage and salary levels. Growing unemployment and reservation in employment also affect the choice for recruitment and selection of employees in organizations. Another element is Political environment. Political environment covers the impact of political institutions on HRM practices. For example, democratic political system increases the expectations of workers for their well-being. The total political environment is composed of three dimensions. Legislature, this is called parliament at the central level, and assembly at the state level. A plethora of labor laws are enacted by the legislature to regulate working conditions and employment relations. Executive, it is the government that implements the law. In other words, the legislature decides and the executive acts. Judiciary, this is like a watchdog above the two. It ensures that both the legislature and the executive work within the conflicts of the constitution and also in the overall interest of the people. These affect in one way or the other all HR activities from planning to placement to training to retention and maintenance. Next is technological external environment. Technology is a systematic application of organized knowledge to practical tasks. Technological advances affect the HR functions in more ways than one. First, technology makes the job more intellectual or upgraded. Second, it renders workers dislocated if they do not equip themselves to the job. Third, job becomes challenging for the employees who cope with the requirements of technology. Fourth, technology reduces human interaction at the workplace. Finally, job holders become highly professionalized and knowledgeable in the job they perform. The next element is demographic. Demographic variables include gender, age, literacy, mobility, etc. Modern workforce is characterized by literate women and scheduled caste and scheduled tribe workers. Now workers are called knowledge workers, and the organizations wherein they work are called knowledge organizations. As such, the traditional line of distinction between manual and non-manual workers is getting blurred. Employees are demanding parity in remuneration and responsibility among various categories and levels of employees. So now we have a comprehensive model of strategic human resource management. So we see in the first box corporate strategy, which is based on scanning external environment as well as internal environment. External environment comprising of competition, government regulation, technology, market trends, economic trends, and internal environment comprising of culture, structure, politics, employee skills, past strategy. Combination of all these three results in the formulation of business unit strategy, which again results into HR strategy, which is formulated in the form of HR planning, design of jobs and work systems, what workers do, what workers need, how jobs interface with others. HR strategy also formulates employee separation strategy. All the types of HR strategies are governed by laws regulating employment. In the meantime, all this scenario is also interspersed by human resource information systems. So, we have the strategic HRM strategies of staffing, training, performance management, compensation, and labor relations. External factors of business environment impacting strategic human resource management. Strategic human resource management is an outcome of globalization. SHRM practices have been changed globally due to the economic, political, legal and technological factors affecting business management practices. Therefore, there is a strong need to develop clear understanding of the impact of external factors on strategic human resource management practices. External factors are uncontrollable and dynamic for SHRM. This statement proclaims the inevitable importance of influence of external factors on strategic HRM practices. This is the reason why SHRM practices vary from organization to organization at national and international level. Human resource management is being considered one of the vital factors affecting organizational performance because it is human resources that can provide competitive advantage in highly competitive business environment. The impact of economic, legal, political, demographic, cultural and technological factors on recruitment and selection, compensation and benefits, training and development and performance management has been analyzed with the help of the examples. In this regard, the most important issue which should be addressed is rapidly changing environment faced by HR managers. There are several factors that affect the roles and responsibilities of HR managers and strategic HRM practices within the organizations. Internationally, the most important factors which can affect strategic HRM practices within the organization are international economic conditions and technological advancement. At national level, economic, legal, political circumstances, cultural and demographic factors are the factors which affect strategic HRM practices. In changing business environment influenced by external national and international factors, the traditional and basic HR practices are becoming insignificant. Therefore, to solve such external issues, HR managers ensure to develop HRM strategies. International HRM is a particular example of changing strategic HRM practices with effect of globalization. So, it can be concluded that external factors are uncontrollable and dynamic with respect to strategic human resource management. Impact of economic factors on strategic human resource management practices. Economic factor is one of the biggest external factors which have altered the SHRM practices directly or indirectly. Countries' economic conditions are directly related with labor market and labor supply, which subsequently affect the recruitment and selection patterns of the organization. Moreover, in labor market, the decrease in supply of particular skilled labor shapes the training and development strategies of organizations. Per capita income and DGP decides the minimum wage rate, which is the part of compensation and benefits. Impact of legal factors on SHRM practices. Political and legal environment of a country actually give birth to the standard HRM practices within the public and private sector organizations. Legal factors which affect the SHRM practices are government labor policies, economic policies, national labor laws, and health and safety regulations. With the passage of time, more concrete and specific legal laws have developed to safeguard employees with respect to wages, compensation, types of leaves, benefits, etc. at workplace. equal employment, sexual harassment prevention, safety and health management, union contract, grievances and disability accommodations are modern HR related laws which is being practiced globally. Implementation of all these laws is different in every country according to their government policies and legal framework. Impact of demographic factors on SHRM practices. Demographic factors are the characteristics of workforce such as gender, education level, race and cultural background. Ratio of men and women in workforce and the cultural diversity has its impact on organizational performance. On the other side, demographic factors have an impact on strategic HRM practices within the organization. Organizations now have to keep balance in gender, racial and ethnic diversity. Moreover, companies now have to design jobs by keeping the work-life balance in consideration. Such demographic factors have its impact on strategic HRM practices related to HR planning, recruitment, selection and workplace security. Verma and Badhwar in 2008 explained the employee turnover ratio in different departments, and according to them, the ratio is comparatively high in cleaning and food and beverage departments when compared with front office. The companies are adopting employee motivation and retention strategies for all levels of employees. Impact of cultural factors on SHRM practices. Cultural factors are very complex to manage for HR professionals, and with the passage of time, many new practices have been observed in HR field to manage the culture. In large organizations, people from different cultures are hired, which creates the diversity, and management of diversity can cause big damages to organizations. Every organization has its own culture, and employees tend to adjust themselves in that culture. It is stated that ethical behavior has become a central focal point in those cultural values. This is the reason it has become a common HR practice to design an ethical code of conduct at workplace, which every employee has to sign and follow. In today's times of globalization, cultural factors' impact on HR practices cannot be ignored. Impact of political factors on strategic human resource management practices. Political factors are one of the major forces which are responsible for a company's mission and strategy. Political and legal factors are one of those factors which affect HR practices. Government policies in any country also pose some threats and hurdles for HR professionals. For example, in Thailand, the minimum wage level is very high, which is set by government, and it has posed a threat to HR managers to cope with this issue because this matter has increased the labor cost for companies. Impact of technological factors on strategic human resource management practices. Technological advancements are affecting all the fields of life. Businesses have been transformed from industrial state into information technology age with the passage of time. IT has influenced the HRM practices positively. It has transformed HRM into strategic HRM. Human resource information technology has helped management activities to be more effective and efficient. The impact of technology on HR practices on the basis of neo-contingency approach has found that technology has played an effective role in reshaping the HR practices in business environment. IT has positively affected the efficiency of hiring processes. With the help of technological advancements, online recruitment process has gained acceptance everywhere. Strategic human resource management is considered a relatively new concept, despite its continued development over the past 2 decades. Although there is still no consensus on the exact definition of SHRM among scholars, broad agreement can be reached on its basic function, which involves designing and implementing a set of internally consistent policies and practices that ensure the human capital of a firm contributes to the achievement of its business objectives. Strategic human resource management is a strategic approach to manage human resources of an organization. It is the linkage between the HRM and strategic goals and objectives in order to improve business performance and develop organizational cultures that foster innovation and flexibility. By combining the HRM function with business strategy, strategic HRM reflects a more flexible arrangement and utilization of human resources to achieve organizational goals, accordingly help organizations gain a competitive advantage. Let us summarize the learning from this module. It is concluded that external environment of the business is changing with rapid pace. So, it has become essential for HR professional to get ready to cope with the changing requirements. It is concluded that external factors around the business are not controllable and they have intense impact on business performance. These factors not only affect business performance but also enforce the HR professionals to take necessary measures to cope with issues due to the impact of external business factors, which result in redesigning of strategic HRM practices. These external factors include economic factors, legal factors, demographic factors, cultural factors, political factors and technological factors. All these mentioned factors have transformed the HR practices with the passage of time. And now, strategic HRM practices have become more efficient in delivering the value to organization through changing the system of recruitment and hiring, training and development, and compensation and benefits. It is true that all external factors are affecting HR practices around the globe, and these factors cannot be controlled as well. Thank you.